Welcome to the biggest blockbuster event of the year, ICC World T20 2014. Are you ready to roar?
Hunter action 16-16, cricket crazy nations, how exciting! Stadium waiting, tension, tension. Ding 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 ding. Chaka hoy hoy, Bangalaya gallo koi. 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 All world, jaw dropping, blockbuster, cup waiting. Stadium shouting, bombastic rocking. People are cheering, everybody hearing. Batte bole, jamme lorai, khushi shima nai. Etbe duniya, cholbe khela, ekhi sathe shobai. Nai, nai, matha je nai, jai, jai, egiye jai. Cholo shobai, ekhi sathe, bijoyer nishanu nai. Ding 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 ding. Chaka hoy hoy, Bangalaya gallo koi. 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 Batte bole resha reshi, shobi hobe beshi beshi. Harate paragaragi, shopurti bhagabhagi. Emon niyo blockbuster, yo dekhe ni aage. All chokhe bak prithibi, Bangladesh hoy jaye. Chaka hoy hoy, Bangalaya gallo koi. 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 Chaka hoy hoy, Bangalaya gallo koi.
It's another brilliant 100 from Nigel Johnson. Dhoni will watch the carnage from the other end. His third on the trot against the Indians.